but not really. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Mountain Creek vlog. We're up here with Dan today. It's snowing, but not really. It's they're blowing snow everywhere. I'm here. It is the 30th of December, day after yesterday, in which I said it was mad icy. Should be better because they were able to blow snow all night, and they're still blowing now. I was hoping that the temperatures would warm up past freezing so they'd stop blowing, but currently it's cold enough for them to continue blowing, so we'll see how things go. However, it should still be a fun day. It'll be sick. Anyway, I have a goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers before the end of this winter, and I am uploading daily videos, so if you're enjoying any part of this, make sure to hit that subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate it. I also just want to say whatever I was about to say there doesn't matter anymore because we just hit 500 subscribers. I am super stoked on this. I haven't seen this type of growth before. I've literally got 100 new subscribers in the last 16 days. So thank you so much to everyone who just subscribed. I really appreciate the support, and everyone who's been there before, thanks for hanging around, and let's hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of this winter. Thanks so much for subscribing. Love the support. Happy New Year, and let's jump back into this video. Woo! Again. So that last run, I don't know how many clips I put in of it, but obviously you do because you just saw it, was filmed by Dan. I just want to remind you guys, Dan started snowboarding last season, literally last season. He picked up snowboarding and now he's filming me, so get out there, go snowboard, try and learn. It's sick, it's so fun. We're gonna do a few more laps. Maybe Dan will film me again. Not this run, but another run. Who knows? Maybe we'll go home. I don't. Let's go into it. Goodbye. Sir. Oh, hello. This is how you properly wipe your lens. You just take the cloth, put it to your eyes, and just. That's it. It's all clean. Damn. We're back in the car. Well, we're back in the car. Honestly, very fun day of riding up at Creek. They have been blowing snow, and it's so much better than yesterday. Yesterday was mad icy and nearly died like multiple times. Today, it was honestly really fun. They had a bunch of blown snow. You could like push it around. It was like fluff, but not. It's fake. You know how it is. Anyway, I'm uploading daily videos like I've said before, so be prepared for another one tomorrow. Anyway. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment something interesting, and subscribe if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.